Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Stella's Secret Place. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all for your good comments. I really do appreciate. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made these plantain chips. I used green plantain, which is unripe, and ripe plantain chips. You all know what we get from plantain. You get your iron from plantain. You know, at times when you go to store, you see that these plantain chips are very expensive. But I think it is cheaper for you to make yours and you store it properly. So over here in this video, you see me, I've diced my plantain and I went ahead to season my oil. I used granules of vegetable oil. I trying to bring out the flavor in the onion into the oil. That is the way I season my oil when I'm frying my plantain. I like the flavor from the onion. So that is the plantain being fried. And by the way, that is the ripe one. I used a little bit ripe one. You can see that is kind of sweet, and I have to fry it to the extent that it changes the color. It depends on you how you want it. If you want it to be dark, it's okay. So that is a second batch that I'm frying over there. You fry it to the extent that the plantains start changing color. You use this as a snack. You see, it is ripe but not too ripe, and this type is sweet. You can use it to eat stew, use stew on it, fried egg. You can choose to eat it like that as well. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. At this point, this is the green plantain. This is the unripe one because I used two different kind of plantain, the ripe one and the unripe one. So this is the unripe one, and with this I am going to try and dice it to be very thin. Let it be flat, and at the same time it depends on you. It depends on how you want it. So I am peeling up the skin of the plantain. That is a bit hard for me to take off all the time. I don't know why. It hurts my nails and it darkens the color of my nails. Green plantain, you have to be very careful because the water from it can stain your clothes as well. That is the iron you are seeing. When you see it color your nail, know that that is the iron in the plantain that is coloring your nails. So after I peeled out the skin, I will go ahead and start dicing it. I'm trying to dice it to be very skinny, light, and flat. I know they have a grater that you can use, but I will try as much as possible to dice it very flat. And that is what I'm doing. I hope I did it right. You cut it to your own level. You cut it to your own size. If you go to store, you will be surprised the amount they sell a pack of plantain. I'm like, if I can do mine, why won't I? It's better I fry my plantain chips than buying it from the store, because one is they have already added some preservatives, so it's okay. It's better for you to fry yours and you will be sure of what you are eating. I'm telling you, when you get these chips from the store, you don't know how long they are there, and for it to stay longer in the store, that means they have added preservatives. But when you do it by yourself, you are 100% sure of what you are eating. I'm still trying to dice it. I have finished cutting it into the shape. You see how flat they are, and they are being fried. This is plantain chips, and this is the unripe one as well. You don't need to waste your money buying the one that is already prepared. All you need to do is to buy your green unripe plantain and give it a fry yourself. Season it very well. And here are the plantain. They are ready. That is the plantain chips on my left, and you see how crispy they look. Fry it to your desired color. And to my right is my ripe plantain. You can eat it like that. For the ripe one, you can eat it with fried egg. It depends on how you want it. But the green one, I eat it like a chips because it's plantain chips. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Thank you for watching my video. I really do appreciate every one of you, and I say God bless you all. Please guys, leave me a comment, like the video, share to your community as we will continue to grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.